Well, looky here. The trees are starting to get leaves in them. It's about time. Well, my power line has a stick in it. Oh well. Well, Judy has finally let me out of the basement. Been in there for about what? 2-3 months? Yeah. It's gotten spring since I've been in here. Or been out here. Well, I guess it's time to get on that BMW. I gotta get that fixed. Yeah, it's time to take a break on that house remodeling. I think I'm just gonna have to work on the car for a little bit. Yep. There it is. Sat here all winter. Time to get started. Got a bunch of new parts. 2 boxes full. Brand new. Some of it I didn't need. I just went ahead and changed it anyway. You never know. New belts, new hoses, new water pump, all kind of goodies. Well, let's get them on. We'll get that done, then we can go out and have some fun in it. If anybody knows what's good to dress these vinyl tops with, let me know in the comments. I used to know, but man, it's been so many years since I fooled with one of those, I've already forgotten. Yeah. Gotta be something good out there now. Yeah. Yep, there she is. Sure looks like fun to me. Yeah, I sure hate mechanic work. But then again, I'm starting to hate any kind of work. Yeah, look at Jack. We're just getting started and Jack's already taking a break. Sounds like a good idea. Well, I guess I'll work my way down to the water pump and then build my way out. I should do it. Since I'm in no hurry, I'll do it the old-fashioned way, to the wrench. It's about my speed now. Yeah, I know, it was a ratchet. Yep, just got started and I'm already wounded. There it goes. Well, I got a problem. Neither one of my jacks will fit under the car. It's setting too low. So that means I'm going to have to jack up the car before I can jack up the car. Yeah, let me figure this one out. Well, like Judy always tells me, I'm not as dumb as I look. That's a good thing. That'll work. Not very often you can work on the car with a screwdriver, but that's what we got. It works. It works. Now I can get to it. Well, everything looks pretty good. The rear bushings back there are really bad. I'll have to change those. I'll have to take some weight off the car and check all of this. I may have to change it all. Control arm, bushings. You can get a kit where you can get them all. But I know for sure I need the back. Looks like the back. I guess that's not the back. That's the front. Back's back there. It's kind of hard to tell on camera when you're laying on your back underneath the car upside down what end you're on. But we're on the front of the car. Yep. We'll get them after, I guess after I order them. I hadn't ordered them yet. I want to try to save all this antifreeze since it's still good. I see no need in changing good antifreeze. And let's see. We should drain it here. Guess you take it all the way out. Maybe I need to open the cap. It helps. Well, it's draining out. I'm no BMW expert. I think this is my first one. I did have a car lot for 20-some years. I may have had one and just don't remember it. But I guess it'll work. We'll get it out somehow. Well, everything is off. Bad pulley. Got some new pulleys. They're on. Yeah. One thing I like done, stick a new water pump in. Right there. Yeah. Let's get back with it. Have this thing running for too long. Go out and have some fun. I hope. Well, we hit a snag. You always hitting one of them. Thermostat underneath my reservoir. Kind of bad. Cracked. Starting to come apart. Guess we better change that. I got it ordered. And I thought this pulley was good on the AC, but it's got a little wear on it, so I'll go ahead and change it too. So I guess I'll be waiting for parts for a few days. But I got plenty more to do. And that old thermostat was busted all the heck time I got it out. Yeah, nothing but crumbs. Well, probably been in there since it was new. Guess I didn't waste no money changing that. Got some new plugs. I think they're original. That's in the car. These look just like them, so maybe they'll last another 130,000 miles again. New oil filter. We're getting ready to fix that dude up. The parts in since that last clip. Yeah. Got the new pulleys on. New reservoir, new hoses. Let's see. Still waiting on one pulley. That should be here any day. We got new thermostats. Belts. Let's see. Got some new parts down there. I don't even know what it's called. But it's new. Well, I got enough parts on it to try to start it. See what happens. See if we got any water leaks. Antifreeze. Maybe it'll start. Yeah. That's always a good sign. Don't see anything dripping. That's good. Don't have a fan on it yet. Maybe it'll warm up a little quicker. Well, gotta warm up a little. See what happens. Yep, and new belts are going around just like they're supposed to. And the pulleys. Can't ask more than that. Well, that's as far as the top goes. Guess I'll have to see about that. Halfway, I guess. Best I can tell. It's only leaking out of all the places I fixed. I don't know. Maybe it'll seal up. Not sure how good those connections are. Maybe I didn't do something right. Wouldn't be the first time. We will see. Yeah, I'm no expert on these, but seemed like you first started, it just drips all over, filling my pan up. But Once you let it run a little bit, it gets hot, they seem to seal up. So I don't know. Let it bleed off a little bit, add some more, it leaks some more. Let it run a little more, get hot, it seals up again. Don't know. This is my first BMW. Yeah. Guess we'll have to figure that one out. Hell, maybe I'm just old, but I like those old-fashioned clamps. You just tighten them up. I'm not sure about these snap-on parts or snap-together parts. I don't know.